stronger, step by step.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? I hope you are doing great. If you are new, my name is Lizzie. You're welcome to my channel. So today, since I cut my hair, I have never do any style and upload here. I just do style without recording or videoing. So today I will be bleaching my hair. I will be using the bleach. I will be using 40 volume and a BW2. It's finished, but the leftover, I think my hair is not much. This is the leftover. I'm just going to manage it because I will be changing it to this color. For this color to work perfectly for me, I have to bleach my hair first.
Left behind, and I've lost everything, forever living in the dark. I feel so alive, still remembering what I want, but
it's very much. I was not even expecting like this, but adding those volume 40, yeah.
nothing much else to say. Thought I was searching for something. Door has closed, not a sound. Take a look as I am now. Still I smile but don't speak. Will you please slow down? Slow down.
Before you start, you put on clothes you are not using, or you use towel to cover your body, so that it won't, in case if it drop, what bleach your hair will bleach your clothes also.
Unreal intertwined, and you're not listening.
So I will just leave it because my hair is not that strong. I will just leave it for 8 to 10 minutes. I will rinse it out.
Further down the line, still surrendering, trying harder to forgive you. Candlelight.
So I just add this one to inside here. Then you shake.
Or something. Door is closed, not a sound. Take a look at I am now. Still I smile but don't speak. Will you please slow down? Slow down. Candlelight has gone out. Some will win and some will lose. Nothing much else to say. Thought I was searching for something. Door is closed, not a sound. Take a look as I am now. Still I smile but don't speak. Will you please slow down?
As you leave it for 20 to 30 minutes maximum, then you wash it with your shampoo of your choice. So the shampoo I will be using in Shimmer Light shampoo and condition. You can use shampoo and condition of your choice. Just use any one you have. I have this one because I use it. It's very good for bleaching things like bleaching wig or hair. So I have this. I'm going to be using this one. After washing it, this is how it come yellow. So I'm still going to bleach it, but for me to bleach it again, I have to leave it for 24 hours, so that because of its core, and I'm just bleaching my hair. This is making it twice now. Then I went to supermarket. I don't know if this one will work, but if it don't work, I'm still going to bleach it again. So I went to supermarket and get this one, but the one I used before is more like, this one is more white. So let me try this one tomorrow and see how it will come out.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now.
So here, like here is total, is here is different. I still have to get another new dye because I'm looking for white. If you are not yet subscribed, guys, subscribe. So for the next video, you see, I don't know if I should tie this one like this, the way it is now. I should tie it, but you can see the white one up here a little bit. So yeah, then I have to leave it before dyeing it for me not to have injury. So peace. I will tie this one like this and see how it comes.
Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures